Well, guess what we're doing today, y'all? We are doing family favorite recipes. And we're starting things off right, y'all, with a hot shrimp dip. You know, it doesn't matter how many recipes that I make. There's a few that are just really classic recipes that people want again and again and again.
I think all of your recipes are classics. They are.
Said by an unbiased child. So I thought we could start with a nice dip, Bobby.
I love it, shrimp dip.
So you're gonna get ready that red bell pepper. You're gonna dice that up for me. Right. You're gonna dice up some green onions. I've got some beautiful shrimp here, and they've been cleaned and deveined, and I'm gonna give them just a coarse chop.
And these are small shrimp, too.
You know, and the smaller your shrimp, the less expensive it is. So for making a dip, you really don't need to spend the money because the smaller ones have a wonderful sweet taste. They do just fine. So let's put a little butter in our pan now.
All right.
There we go.
That enough?
Yeah, well, I'll add more if I need to.
This is one of my favorite smells, peppers and onions.
Onions and peppers, yes, there's nothing like it.
And we're looking for, I believe, 2/3 of a cup?
Yeah, 2/3, 3/4. You know, when you're making recipes like this, you don't have to be exact.
Well, I use that whole red bell pepper.
Oh, well, that is just fine.
Because I figure it's going to cook down a little bit.
And I'm not going to throw in our shrimp just yet. But I am going to start grating our cheese, Bobby.
Okay.
And we're going to use 2 different kinds of cheese in our dip. We're going to use a cup of Parmesan cheese and a cup of mozzarella. A tip, y'all, to grate your cheese a little easier if you'll throw it into the freezer just for maybe 10 minutes. You don't want it to freeze, but just get it nice and hard. It'll grate up a lot easier for you. And another trick is to spray your grater, and that'll help
with a cooking spray?
Yes, just a non-stick spray.
I've never tried that.
All right, so we're slowly getting this.
Well, the veggies I think are ready. All I'm really doing is kind of sauteing these a little bit, right?
Yeah, we're gonna let them soften up a little bit.
Not wanting to cook them into nothing.
Yeah, just let them soften.
All right.
So, Sonny boy, if you'd get down there and start on the chips.
All right.
This is going just fine.
I love to make homemade pita chips.
I do too. You know, I usually, when I'm having y'all over, having a crowd of folks, I throw them into the deep fryer. But in honor of Bobby, we're gonna bake them today.
Honor of me?
Yes. Now I'm gonna throw in our shrimp. So our shrimp are in the pan, y'all. And now I'm gonna add some ingredients that's gonna make this rich and creamy. I'm gonna add 1 8-ounce carton of sour cream.
The whole carton?
Yes, well, that's a lot of shrimp. I've used a full pound. Now I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and the mayonnaise is gonna make it so rich and creamy. So in goes our mayonnaise. Now
butter, sour cream, mayonnaise.
Yes. Every good dip has.
But we're gonna bake the pita chips.
Yes.
Okay.
You are such a smart boy.
Well.
All right, now I'm gonna add my cup of mozzarella. A cup of the parm. So look at this, y'all. All right, now I am going to add a little salt and pepper to my dip.
Am I doing anything to these chips at all?
Well, we're gonna just bake them off, and then when we pull them out, we can put a little light coat of salt on it. How about that?
All right.
All right,
Well,
so
the chips are done.
350.
We're gonna pop them in with the casserole?
Yes.
With the dip, I mean?
With the dip, yes. You wanna spray our pan, son, a little bit so this won't stick. And you can see this, the shrimp are still transparent. We're gonna bake it for about 30 minutes. So I don't want our shrimp overcooked. So let's pour in our dip.
All right. Looks so good. Smells so good.
Yes, it does.
All right. Into the oven.
Yum. So in the oven, 30 minutes,
And
350 degrees, y'all. Yum.
Yeah.
Get rid of that thing and let's taste.
All right. Be careful because it's boiling hot.
Good.
That's right.
Isn't that yummy? Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.